If you're a practice owner or med spa owner looking to attract more local patients, then you are in the right place because I've got some super sweet social media strategies that I want to share with you today. In this video, I'm going to share 2 of our go-to techniques that we use each and every month to help our clients reach more local followers and attract more new patients on repeat. But first, let's talk about building a strong and consistent online presence. Yes, it takes time. It's the same thing as building a relationship. In order to build a true, genuine relationship, that is not going to happen in 30 days. It's not going to happen in 60 days. It's not going to happen after 1 or 2 posts on social media. Building a strong online, consistent presence, it does take time. There are many moving parts, okay? I say all this to say there are many moving parts when it comes to a successful and a winning online marketing strategy for your practice, which is why I put together this free video training called Boost Your Practice, where I break down all of the necessary components that it takes to attract new patients using online marketing strategies. So to get your hands on this training, oh, and did I mention it is completely free, by the way? To get your hands on this training, simply just click the link in the description box below and let's go ahead and get into the video. So for those of you who are not familiar with my story, prior to becoming a social media strategist and coach for practice owners, I was a full-time medical biller. And a big part of a medical biller's job was to pay attention to detail, look at a bunch of data pretty much all day long, and use the data to make even better decisions. Now, a lot of people just really don't understand social media marketing outside of the surface level, posting videos, trends, photos, all of that type of stuff. But there is a whole system in the background, and there is a whole system behind making this work to help you reach more patients and attract more patients into your practice. I basically use a lot of the same techniques that I used when I was a medical biller to what I do today as a social media strategist. I'm a data girl. I love numbers because it needs to make sense to me. Another part about this is that once you find the things that work, because the proof is in the pudding, the data shows that it works, you basically just repeat the things that you did, but you make them even better. You switch them up. You use different variations of what worked in the beginning. And this is why I just love marketing, right? Simple but effective social media strategies to help you get more new local patients in the door. One of the first things that I want to show you is this tool called Metricool. That's what you're looking at now on your screen. And Metricool provides me with demographics for my client accounts. Now you may hear me say my account throughout this little training because I use it for my social media presence as well. A lot of you probably are here because you follow me on social media. So I use Metricool for various reasons. I use these demographics to basically help me identify opportunities and ways to reach more patients. So the first thing that I want to start off by showing you is this chart of followers by city. We have the city and state right here. Then we have the count, which is right here in the right column. Now, oftentimes you use your practice as the geotag when you're posting a photo or you're posting a video online. And when you go in to enter the location, you will enter the name of your practice. Now, am I saying that that's the wrong way? No, that's not the wrong way. I still recommend that you use your practice as the location tag, but what I want you to also do is focus on the surrounding city and states that are already showing interest in your content. I want you to focus on building your digital footprint under these cities and under these states, because the thing about location tags, they work very similar like hashtags, and you want your content to rank for more broader terms because broad terms are the terms that people are more likely to search for. So let's just say, for example, I'm just throwing it out there. I'm just throwing numbers out there. 100, just think about 100 people searching on social media. You may have 20 people that will go into the search engine, social media, for example, and type in the name of your practice because they know you already, or maybe they heard about you. But if you are looking to attract more local patients and even like larger range of potential new patients, you want your content to rank under terms that people are more likely to search for. They're not more likely to search for your practice, at least not newer patients. But what they are searching for these cities and they're searching for these states. And then what this does, this just increases, again, the amount of content that your practice displays when someone is searching for this city and this state. It's a great technique that we use often. We use it over and over again because it is something that works. So I'm spilling the beans here. I'm sharing something that I don't usually share. But again, like, I love giving you guys information because I want to see you win also. The next time you are on Instagram or you're on TikTok or wherever it allows you to leave your location, try targeting some of these locations. Just switch it up a bit. Okay? Again, I am a very data-driven person, and oftentimes what we do is we use the data to help us create and curate even better content. Now, the second technique that we use time and time again with each of our accounts to help them reach more local new patients is to launch an ambassador or an affiliate program. This can be easily done. Now, if you don't know what that is, hello, I need you to wake up and come to 2023. No, but seriously, what that is basically you partnering with your existing patient base to help them help you spread the word out about your practice, your treatments, your services, even more, okay, on another level. Now, what they are ultimately doing is they're sharing their experience with their audience. They're sharing their transformation with their audience. And what that does is like a spin-off. It's like a domino effect. Their audience will see that they went X, Y, and Z, and now they had a great experience at X, Y, and Z. And now guess what? They want to feel that same feeling. They want to look how their friend looked. So now they're going to come visit you so they can walk away with that same feeling. And yes, you know, having your staff showcase the services and the treatments and all that stuff, yes, that does work. But if you really want to connect with new followers on a deeper, more intimate level, launch an ambassador program and use your existing patient base. What you're going to do is you're going to offer them something, whether that be half off their third visit, or 50% off every service, 25% off their fifth service, whatever. However you decide to structure your ambassador program, you're going to incentivize your existing patients to help you spread the word. So this means what we do is we have our ambassadors, they tag us, they share our posts, they record stories when they come in and they're actually receiving services. All of that stuff the algorithm loves. And I know we don't create for algorithms, but we do have to please it and give it what it wants. That's just one layer to it. The other benefit is to reach more local people in the community, and what that does is just increases the chances of them converting and turning from followers into real paying patients. Now, like I said, these two strategies are just the beginning when it comes to a successful and winning online marketing strategy for your med spa and for your practice. If you want to learn more, then I invite you to check out my free video training called Boost Your Practice. In this training, I go into even more detail on how to attract more patients, build your brand, and grow your practice using the power of online marketing. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for even more online marketing tips to boost your practice, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.